Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is second in the series of pouring on wooden pumpkins for fall. It's fall, y'all. Get your PSL. That's your pumpkin spice latte. I am using some of the same colors from episode 1. I don't know what the number it will be, but I did 2 ring pours in that one. Now I'm going to do at least one with a double flip cup, just because this is kind of an oblong, kind of wider, obviously, rectangular oval thing. I'm going to do 2 cups, so when the paint comes out, I can tilt it up and down and I don't have to like stretch it so far. I do have a growing number of paints. Let's see, real ones are, this is Red Oxide by Liquitex Basics. This is Yellow Ochre by Master's Touch or Amsterdam. I have both of them. This is orange. Which orange is this? Cadmium Orange Hue, Liquitex Basics. Heck, brown. Oh, we forgot what kind of brown this was. I don't remember. I will add that. And then Old Gold, I'm running out of that, by Liquitex. That's by Artist Loft. Yellow by Cadmium Yellow Light Hue by Liquitex, and a Parchment by Liquitex. And then I made a peachy light orange. I thought I wasn't getting a lot of orange, enough orange in my opinion, in the other 2 I did. So this is a concoction of 4 things. My orange, cadmium orange. I have a little of this Liquitex Artist Loft Iridescent Medium. It's supposed to make it more like metallic with some shimmer, we'll see. And then it was too dark, so I added some white. And then it was too pinky, so I added some yellow. This is a Brilliant Yellow by Artist Loft. It's a I think it's a transparent, semi-opaque. So I guess, you know, peachy, orange, whatever. I'm gonna make my flippy cups, and then I will bring you back for the flipping. Oh, yep, there's my previous mess. Key with flip cups is the color that you put in last comes out on top. So maybe I do want to do orange this way. I'm trying to alternate. So, but I only want to put 1 layer of each. I'm really kind of bad at putting an equal amount. Some of these are slightly thicker than others, and they might react. So we'll see. I'm trying to alternate darks and light or medium colors so that you get contrast, and have 2 metallic-y iridescent things so I get a little bit of shimmer and some pearls, not pearls, cells. I don't have no silicone. I'm gonna do this in the same order. What did I start with? Orange, no silicone. I hate cleaning it off. Because that reason, I don't use it a lot. But if I don't get any cells in this, I might add some. I'm not sure how it would look, or I mean how it would react on the wooden canvas. Normally silicone I do on, well wait, it's just wooden boards. That's not canvas. I shouldn't talk while I do this. Can I just edit this out? It might happen. All right, that looks good. I made it nice and thick. So here's my 2 flip cups. Off to the side. So when I flip them, I'm gonna make sure I don't tip my pumpkin over, so I'm gonna hold on to it. And this is pretty full. Let's see if I can do it without splashing. I'm gonna put pressure down in the middle here. 1, 2, 3. What did I say? I knew it. Well, this is too much paint anyways. Lesson learned. That looks lovely. I'm gonna do some dips in that. Maybe I will scrape that up and pour it on a different pumpkin. All right. Let's go. Time to tilt. The back is wet. I do love flip cups when they work. And the top. What's going on here? That's cool. It's all that gold. Where is my paint? I can't get him here. What do you know? There's not enough paint on the side where the cup fell off the pumpkin. Dumb. I am dumb. But I learned. I won't do that again. I kind of knew these would be complicated. I mean, you can't stick your tacks in the back. I have to do things differently. Okay, we're getting a little bit of cell action here. I'm gonna paint the stems a coordinating color so they're solid. Maybe actually make them look like stems. A lot of pumpkins, these artistic, like decorative pumpkins, have kind of like green leaves and kind of the viney look to them. So maybe I'll add some of those. Getting a lot of metallic coming through in the brown. I like it. Maybe too much of this red. I should maybe take that out. Because we got a lot of this dark brown too. Well, we'll see. Let me see the back. Ooh, it's nasty. I'm just gonna like paint it with my fingers so it's smooth. Pretend like that was intentional. Yep. It's an artistic decision. And I'm not gonna flip this over because then all the paint disappears. To feel. Does it feel wet? It's a brown ugly mess. Delightful. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Should I do another one? I could dip it in here. At least over here where it got real messy. I do have a little bit of paint left in my cups. Maybe not enough. And then there's gonna be that brown in there too, or gray, my weird flow extender. I'll say we give it a try. Okay, so I'm gonna have to like swirl it around. Here we go, number 2. Remnants of flip cup is a dip. Dip it, push it down. I know the most of the paint's on this side, and I poured some over here, so I think, hoping this, so you kind of get that ugly look. Oops. Can I stretch it? Can I re-dip it? Dip it over here like this. Ooh. Nope. I'll just fix it with my fingers. Well, that one doesn't have any extra on the back. Okay. Ooh, there's like a swirl because I've been like holding it weird. That turned out cooler than I expected. I'm glad, because I don't want to waste all that paint. I still have a lot of paint down here. I don't know if there's enough to do another dip though. And I'm running out of space to dry my pumpkins, so that's 2. Here's our comparison for episode 2. Kind of different. Let me know what you think. I'll be back with more pumpkins because I have only done 4 of the 12 I bought and I've got a lot of paint. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see all the rest of my crazy messy paint shenanigans. Bye. Kind of a weird view of these. This is one of my drying areas. So here's the flip cup and the dip while they're wet. Here's the little swirly thing. That's cool. Kind of like how that turned out. I like this section up here with the lines. We'll see how they dry. Here's the dried results of this semi-disastrous flip cup. Wow. Wonder why there's so many more cells in the middle. Something about that combination. Maybe all that in the first cup fell off. This is different. Sometimes you see pumpkins with like pock marks or what are those, like bumpy bits. So this one's cool. It's got a lot more orange on it. This is the one I tried to paint the back with my fingers, and then that's where it was sitting on the cup. So I'm not sure that's really for show. Here's the dip that I used up the rest of the paint that fell on my table and dipped it in and kind of got the cool effect over here in the middle where the paint was really thick and it swirled around on its own, or you know, I didn't ask it to do that. Right here is kind of shimmery. And there's some of that gray in there. That was my flow extender. I don't know if that works, but it's pretty subtle. What's the back look like? This one's the cleanest since I didn't actually pour on it. So that one's nice. Let me know what you think of these 2. Maybe suggest which method I should do next time. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.